Hey guys, so today I wanted to do a quick review and demonstration of how this beautiful giant big alarm clock works. The first time when I got it, guys, I thought it was beautiful, but I didn't know how to work the remote control, so I thought it didn't work, but it was just me because I didn't know how to use it. So before I go ahead and show you how to use it, guys, I just want to show you a little bit about its features and tell you what it is that I love about this alarm clock. So the first thing that I love about it, guys, is that it is huge. I can see the time in big letters, so I really love that. We have the PM, AM, we have the time, we have the day, which is Thursday, we have the month and the day, and then we also have the temperature, which is 75 degrees of Fahrenheit, and you can also change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius, so I really love that. Now over here on the side, we have the buttons where you can change the timer, and you can also change the alarm clock, so I really love that. And then over here on the bottom, you can adjust the brightness, so you can put it in high and low or in auto, and that is how bright or how dim you want the letters here in the front of the alarm clock. But now that I showed you all of its features, guys, I'm gonna show you how this remote control works. So first off, we have the on and off button, so you can turn it off and then turn it back on. We have the color switch, so you can switch out the colors. So as you can see, it has all of these different colors here. I love keeping it in the colorful one, so I like keeping it there. And with the set button, guys, you can change literally anything that you see on the screen. So whenever you press it, you can switch the language, which right now we have it in English. And then if you want the daylight savings or not, we're gonna leave it at on. You can change the year. So right now we have it in 2023. You can also change the month and the date. So we're just going to leave it at that because it's already there. But if you want to change it, all you have to do is do the plus or the minus and it will change it for you. And then we can change the time as well. If you want to switch the time, you can just do plus or minus. But right now we're going to leave it at 7:49. Whenever you press set again, you can change the minute as well. Now by pressing the plus sign, guys, you can change it from a 12-hour clock to a 24-hour clock. So right now we have it at 7:50. And if we press the button, we can change it to 19:50. Now you can also set the timer up, guys. So by pressing this button, you enter or exit the timer. So we're entering it right now, and then you can change it using the hour, the minute, or the second. So when you press the hour, you can change the hour, you can change the minute, and then you can also change the second. And if you want to reset it, all you have to do is press timer reset and it changes back to 0. And then this button right here stops or plays the timer. So we're going to play it. As you can see, the time is running. So we're just going to reset it and then we're going to exit the timer. Now the buttons here in the bottom, guys, you can change the volume. So you can up the volume, minus the volume, or up the brightness and lower the brightness. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. We're going to up the volume of the alarm clock. And then we're going to just take away from the volume. So it's a pretty loud alarm clock, guys. I really love that. And you can also up the brightness or you can dim it a little bit. So let's go ahead and up the brightness. And then we're going to dim it. But yeah, guys, that's how you use the remote control. Let me go ahead and show you the buttons on the side because you can also control the alarm clock and you can control the timer using the buttons here. But I prefer using the control, guys, because it's much more easier. It also comes with its own little plug, guys. So in order to plug it in, all you have to do is open this little thing right here, and then it has a little hole right there, and you're just going to plug in its plug and then plug it into a wall outlet, and then you're going to be able to turn on the alarm clock. Now it also has these little 2 holes there, guys, in case you want to mount it onto the wall, or if you just want to set it up in your desk, all you have to do is just pop up this little lever right here and you can just set it up like this. But anyways, guys, I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you're looking for a big, beautiful alarm clock, I would definitely recommend this one.